Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So you're welcome back to this channel, and in this video we are taking a closer look at an expert advisor on the MQL5 Marketplace titled Kalman Filter EA. Before we jump in, let us quickly confirm platform compatibility. Based on the official listing title and product details, this EA is built strictly for MetaTrader 5. If you're looking for an MT4 version, keep in mind that this specific build is MT5 only. Let us start here on the MQL5 Marketplace listing page. The EA is developed by Robert Davis Waweru Mogure, and it comes with a price tag of 100 US dollars with 7 activations. Looking at the core concept described by the developer, this EA uses a multi-layered signal combination. It blends a Kalman filter to smooth out market price noise, a 9-period rate of change for momentum, and a 14-period stochastic oscillator smooth with a 3-period SMA. Those elements are combined into a blended line and then smoothed through a 20-period triple exponential moving average, or TEMA. Now, what stands out here from a mechanical perspective is that the EA operates strictly on bar close. Signals are evaluated only when a candle completes, which helps avoid intra-bar noise and premature entries. A buy or sell order triggers when the smooth TEMA line shifts direction across its previous value. In terms of trade management, every trade runs independently with a fixed stop loss and take profit. The EA doesn't close positions on opposite signals, nor does it track open positions dynamically. It simply opens a trade when signal conditions are met and lets hard-coded risk limits handle the exit. Now, looking at the input parameters, everything is kept very straightforward. The default settings use a fixed lot size of 0.01. The take profit default is set to 300 points, which is 30 pips on a 5-digit broker. And the stop loss default is 600 points or 60 pips. There is also a maximum spread filter set to 30 points. And that is to block execution during spread spikes. The core internal filter parameters like the Kalman sharpness, ROC length, and TEMA length are fixed internally to keep the original logic intact. Okay, the developer notes that while the strategy works on various time frames and major instruments, it was originally designed with the 1 hour and 4-hour charts in mind. Okay, it is also worth noting that there is no martingale, grade, or lot averaging logic built into this code. Every trade is a single entry with predefined risk. Now, let us just transition into the backtesting and review the historical performance data provided, from a 1-hour test on EURUSD running from January 1st, 2026 through July 22nd, 2026. Okay, so looking at the test conditions, this historical run accumulated, or rather evaluated, 3,432 H1 bars with 100% history quality on an initial deposit of $10,000. Over this 6.5-month period, or about 6 months, 3 weeks, the EA generated a total net profit of 84.98 with a profit factor of 1.10 and a Sharpe ratio of 1.56. All right. So what immediately catches attention here from a risk perspective is the drawdown profile. The maximal balance drawdown was kept exceptionally low at 44.79, or roughly 0.45%, while the maximal equity drawdown reached 40 0.11 or 0.4%. This flat drawdown curve leads to a recovery factor of 2.12. Now, when we analyze the trade distribution, the system completed 452 trades, 452 total trades, okay? And out of those, 308 trades were profitable, giving an overall win rate of 68.14%. Short trades performed noticeably stronger in this sample, winning 76.42% of the time, compared to long trades at 59.64%. Now, reviewing the historical chart activity helps explain why these metrics look the way they do, because the stop loss of 600 points is twice the size of the 300 points take profit target. The average losing trade of 5.93 is larger than the average winning trade of 3.05. All right, the system relies on its higher win rate, supported by the adaptive noise filtering of the Kalman and TEMA combination, to maintain a positive expected payoff of 0.19 pips per trade, or 0.19 profits per trade. All right, so looking closely at the chart entries, positions are taken strictly at the open of a new bar following the trend direction shift. Now, because multiple positions can run simultaneously with fixed targets, you will occasionally observe trade clustering where several positions are open at once, right? You can see this chart here, the trade history. Okay, so now each of them will be holding its own independent SL and TP. The average trade holding time was around 28 hours, showing that it functions as a swing or position style intraday system rather than a fast scalper. Now, keep in mind, these are historical backtest results over a specific market window. While the low drawdown and stable equity curve are interesting observations, past performance is never a guarantee of future live performance. Okay, so actual live trading results will always vary depending on individual broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, and lot size configuration. I will strongly recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. All right, so in conclusion, the Kalman Filter EA for MT5 presents a clean, rules-based approach for traders who prefer fixed risk trading without toxic recovery mechanics like grids or martingale. It may appeal to those interested in mathematical price smoothing and momentum crossovers on major forex pairs. However, no expert advisor is suitable for every market condition or risk profile, so always make sure to perform your own optimization and demo testing before considering live deployment. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.